Hello natural beauty lovers, welcome back to my cosmetic school. So in this video I am going to show you how I made these beautiful watermelon soaps. Okay, so these soaps I've used the cold process method. Okay, this is obviously not a soap for beginners. Okay, you must have some experience in making cold process soaps in order to be able to make this level of soap making. So there is an entire guide on how to make a cold process soap available on the school platform inside the classrooms. So if this is your first time seeing this, or this is your first time making a soap by using the cold process method, go to the school website. There's a section called free classes. Inside the free classes you will have a link that's going to take you to the classroom. So inside the classroom you'll have the guides, everything that you need to understand what is a cold process soap, how to make a cold process soap. You now have there 2 recipes. So you have the coconut oil cold process soap, which is a very simple one, and it's the one that I recommend for beginners. Okay, and then you have this one, the watermelon cold process soap. So beautiful and it's smelling so good. It's amazing. So go to the school platform, download your guides. It's completely free, all made for you. Download your guide, learn how to make it. There's a lot of safety concerns, so go through it before you jump into the process of handling lye, because it's a little bit dangerous. So understand the process behind it before you start making. Okay, so come with me. I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful watermelon soap. This class was created using Brambleberry watermelon soap as a reference. You can find the entire process inside the classroom. I've also used Brambleberry lye calculator to create my own recipe. So this soap is slightly different from Brambleberry watermelon soap because I've used my own ingredients and I've added different fragrance oils as well. We need 3 colors to create a watermelon soap. So basically what I'm doing right now is dividing my soap into 3 portions and add the respective colors. So now I'm adding the watermelon fragrance oil just to make it more realistic. This is an intermediate to advanced soap level. If you've never made a cold process soap before, make sure you understand the entire process before trying this recipe for your own safety. Now I'm adding the last color and also the most beautiful one. Look at this beautiful pink coming up. This is a watermelon soap, so we need some seeds. So I've used poppy seeds to create our watermelon soap seeds. Please keep this soap away from children and some adults as well. So this is the soap after 24 hours, and now I'm just gonna cut it. You can also use a knife to cut your soap. Now let's just see some beautiful bubbles. Because I've used poppy seeds, you can use this soap to exfoliate your skin. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.